Not all problems are equal. In fact, one of the biggest mistakes teams make in continuous improvement is trying to fix everything at once. That is where a Pareto chart comes in. A Pareto chart helps you find the few causes that are creating most of the problem. You may have heard of the 80-20 rule. In simple terms, it means that a small number of causes often create a large amount of the impact. For example, imagine a business has 100 customer complaints. The complaints are grouped into categories like late delivery, missing information, billing errors, damaged items, and wrong contact details. Instead of guessing what to fix first, the team counts how many complaints sit in each category. Then they sort the categories from biggest to smallest. What they might find is that late delivery and missing information make up most of the complaints. That instantly changes the conversation. Instead of spreading time, money, and effort across every possible issue, the team can focus on the few areas that will make the biggest difference. That is the power of a Pareto chart. It helps you stop chasing noise and start focusing on impact. To build one, collect reliable data, group the causes clearly, count how often each one happens, sort them from highest to lowest, and then look for the vital few. The vital few are the areas that deserve your attention first. So before you jump into solutions, build a Pareto chart. Let the data show you where the real problem is. Get your free SimplicityHub Pareto chart template and start fixing the right problems today.